I'm standing at the top, that's how I know you never seen the top. Sierra King parking lot, looking like that in city parking lot. This talks when I walk by, like you know it's open when you drop, hey.
So extra. So anyways, my skin though, as you can see, it still got a couple of the stress breakouts, but it's not textured anymore. I did a microdermabrasion, I did some exfoliation and all of that stuff, so it should go away in a couple of days. Beautiful golden eye patches. I'm going to apply those while I do my editing.
You know it's open when you drop, hey, drop. Yeah, and I'm coming with the wild.
Nice green.
Oh boy.
Ashley gave us this like years and years and years ago. Finally using it. Cute.
None of us are trained professionals at this.
Yes, we are.
Bitch,
man.
The burnt chicken?
What?
I said this is why Daddy cooks. I was joking.
No, she said that. Yeah, way better than Daddy's.
Wow.
And then I said you went too far.
You went too far, Mom. That's a stretch.
Back there.
Call and you talk to the girl. I'll share my world with you. You won't waste your time. You can waste your time. I mean, honestly.
High five, team.
Open your eyes and see. You can give what you need. Waste your time.
So while we wait for the ice cream, we are going to make some bracelets. So I'm setting up right now for my crazy facial. And I say crazy, but I mean like very, very intense and exfoliating. I'm so excited for it though, because my skin desperately needs it. So I'm just setting up everything that I'm going to use and make sure that I'm 1000% ready for this intense facial. Yeah guys, so I'm about to work out and then I'm going to do my facial, which is super exfoliating. I can already tell that my skin is improving. And yeah, I'm not going to show you guys this facial because I don't want to encourage you guys to try this at home. I'm trained in all of these products and tools, so I can use it comfortably and not worry about adverse effects. But yeah, again, skincare does not clear up overnight. I'm showing you guys as an esthetician, your skin can have some moments of vulnerability and desperation. So let me take care of that, and then I'm just bringing you guys along the journey with me so you can kind of see how I go from like stress breakout, massive pimples everywhere, to like clear skin. But don't get me wrong, like I'm coming on camera bare face and like confident in this as well, but I can throw down on some makeup too. I am a makeup artist. Knock my lashes on, my makeup, and be like, shh, you know what I mean? But yeah, so let me stop playing with you guys. I'll catch you guys later, soon, maybe. I don't know. We might be hanging out, so we shall see. So I wanted and decided to do a beautiful facial, and now I've had adverse reactions. Look at my eyeball is swollen. My freaking skin is freaking pissed off at me. So yeah, that's the life of an esthetician, knowing how to properly take care of your skin, knowing how to properly use techniques and tools and all of that stuff, but then still, you know, not following the rules and then freaking having problems. And it's just like, you know better, Madeling, you know better. But are you doing better? Maybe not. Maybe not. I mean, my skin looks terrible. I wanted to say it looks good. It looked good yesterday, but then when, you know, you want to go and be a dummy and freaking hurt your skin and not listen after doing an invasive facial, this is what happens. Are you ready to move?
Mom?
Are you ready to move? We are getting boxes to move. Yes. I love Home Depot. I feel like I'm going to be in Home Depot and Lowe's for like the next few months. DIY projects and stuff. Oh. Show my baby, show my baby, show my baby. Yes, boy or girl.
All day.
Team girl. Say hello. Look at my other baby. There's another baby in there. We got a lot of babies brewing. Say hello to the vlog. Oh, it's sizzling. Welcome to the vlog. Get beautiful art. And we got another baby cooking in the oven. Yeah. Say hello.
Right. And then
What you say? You don't want to be a girl dad?
I'm a whole ass girl dad.
Raising queens, it's okay. They'll come interview you. So we are here with Miss Big Sister. What do you want it to be? Team boy or team girl?
I'm team girl.
Team girl, me too! Gee. We want team girl. So, Paulina, if you have a girl, just know we are rooting for you and we've got your back. You're gonna be a great big sister, right?
Yeah.
Yes, you are. I know you are because you're a great big cousin. Sapphire loves you. So, yay! What you got going on in here? Escaping the party.
I'm doing this like this, and then I'm doing another layer like this, and then I'm doing another layer like this.
That's very beautiful. I love it. I love rainbows and the colors are just so pretty. Good job. What do you think it's gonna be? Boy. Team girl. I think it's gonna be a girl. I hope it's a girl. We got a lot of girls, so we need another girl. It's a girl. It's a boy. Let me in on it. My beautiful baby stylist. She cooking.
What's up? What's up?
My beautiful.
Hey, get the chef on here real quick. Man. Get the chef. Get Brian Pops Lewis right there. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, that's Brian Pops Lewis, the culinary chef, the one, the only.
Channel.
And this is his son right here, Tristan Lewis.
He makes cooking videos. Go ahead and check him out.
Man.
I got a niece in the belly.
This is crazy.
I got me some nieces. We got some nieces.
Everybody baking. Everybody want to cook?
I'm so excited. She made me a great aunt.
Right.
I'm a great aunt. But I look good for a great aunt. We hot mamas in here.
Oh my God.
Serena, you were able to keep it secret for so long.
Accidentally put too much glue in here. I was supposed to spread them evenly, and so I already poured the packets in, and I was like, shoot, there's not enough.
You was brewing? I'm so excited. You have enough food?
Yeah!
Hey, really? Yes, girl. Feed my baby. Look at this line. It's so long.
Why don't you sit with me for just a little while? Tell me what's wrong. Skip
Yeah.
Ooh. Enough to make it last.
Come on.
I'll do whatever needs to be done. Cause I need somebody who will stand by me through the good times and bad times. You will always.
Come on, Angel. Paulina.
away from all of reality. Neverland is home to the lost boys like me. Lost boys like me are free. Neverland is home to the lost boys like me. And lost boys like me are free.
I blame the moon. Its phases are my moods, and then I blame the tides for bringing water to my eyes. And if the universe and I are one, I blame the sun for rising and setting and letting me wander aimlessly in attempt to feel both free and steady. But if leaves flow with the wind, why can't I? I'm still falling in and out of love with myself. It's the moon. Its phases are my moods. Its craters remind me of a destiny unfulfilled. So I sit still until I find my peace and breathe until I feel my truth, waxing and waning and waiting for balance.
Hello. Hey, listen, baby boy on the way. Junior.
Hey. All right, guys, we're going to end the vlog here.
Hey, y'all already...
Say bye, y'all. Say bye, y'all. It's been a fun-filled day. We found out we having a nephew. We coming to the movie theaters. Serena should be here in about 10 minutes or so. It's about to be lit. We're watching The Invitation. I'm so excited. We've been wanting to see it. It's like a scary movie that's coming out. According to online, we're gonna be 3 people in the theaters. No one else is gonna be there with us, so we'll see. Theater 1.
Yeah, the money's
Invitation. Ooh, mini bottles, Casamigos. Oh my god. There you go. For you. For me. It's a scary movie, guys, so I have to shut it off the camera. I don't want to scare you guys. Say what's up. Say what's up to the vlog. I'm gonna end it here. See y'all tomorrow.
What's your dream?